Stop stressing about dinner. We've got a one-pan recipe that's as good for your body as it is for your budget. Welcome to AI Easy Recipes. This isn't just another quick fix. It's a flavorful, fulfilling meal that proves healthy eating can be easy and affordable. Let's get cooking. Hi, Gemini. I would like to prepare a main entree for 4 people. I will be using 1 pot to cook this meal. My guests have no allergies. I would love the recipe to be comfort food. Some things to keep in mind. The meal needs to be healthy and nutritious. Feel free to include chicken. Please also include a shopping list. Looking forward to tasting our aromatic meal.
Hey there. On days when you just want to relax and not do much, a comforting, budget-friendly, one-pot chicken pasta sounds absolutely perfect, right? So let's make something delicious and nutritious without all the fuss. We're making creamy tomato chicken pasta. It's a super comforting one-pot pasta dish with tender chicken, a creamy tomato sauce, and your favorite pasta. Easy and delicious. Okay, let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 medium onion chopped. 2 cloves of garlic minced. 1 big 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Half a teaspoon of dried basil. 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, optional if you want a little kick. 1 pound of pasta, penne, rotini, or farfalle work great. 4 cups of chicken broth. Half a cup of heavy cream. Half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Salt and pepper to taste. And some fresh parsley chopped for a nice garnish. Now let's get cooking. Here's how we're gonna do it. First, we're gonna sear the chicken. Heat up that olive oil in a big pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Add it to the pot and cook it until it's browned on all sides, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then take the chicken out and set it aside. Next, let's sauté the aromatics. Add the chopped onion to the pot and cook it until it's softened, about 5 minutes. Then, throw in the minced garlic and cook for another minute until it smells amazing. Time to make the sauce. Pour in the crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, oregano, basil, and red pepper flakes if you're using them. Give it a good stir and bring it to a simmer. Now let's cook the pasta. Add the pasta and chicken broth to the pot. Make sure the pasta is covered in the liquid. Bring it to a simmer, then turn the heat down to medium-low. Cover the pot and cook according to the pasta package directions, stirring every now and then until the pasta is al dente. That's usually around 10 to 12 minutes. Almost there. Once the pasta is cooked, stir in the cooked chicken, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese. Season with salt and pepper. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce has thickened up a bit. And finally, let's serve it up. Sprinkle with fresh parsley and serve it hot. A few things to keep in mind. This dish is a great balance of protein, carbs, and healthy fats. You can tweak the amount of heavy cream and Parmesan to control the fat content. And using whole wheat pasta will add more fiber. We're using chicken thighs because they're juicy, budget-friendly, and just plain delicious. Find the full shopping list, the recipe, cook time, and some handy nutritional tips in the description below. Enjoy your delicious and budget-friendly meal.
Thank you, Gemini. Let me know in the comments what recipe you'd like to see Gemini share next. Enjoy your delicious creation, and see you in the next recipe. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes.